Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to this video. So today we want to see how we can install Telegram on Windows. So we go to Google and we need just to write download Telegram for Windows, and the first link is Telegram desktop. You come here and you can see here get Telegram for Windows, and also is portable version, so you don't need to install that, but this one you need to install it. Get Telegram for Windows, so I click on that. So now I have the file here. I click on it, run, and the language English. So yeah, the path is okay. Next, Telegram desktop. So the message that you saw, it was because I had it and then I deleted, so it's written it was already there, but when you click on OK, so now the new one will be installed. So for you, you won't see that messages. And yeah, the name is okay. Next, create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. So now it's finished. And yeah, check this box, launch Telegram, and finish. You need to just enter your number here, or also you can use the barcode or log in using the phone number. So I write uh, my phone number here, and then I will receive a code, and I have a password. So it's I set it up as password for logging to my account, and then now you can see I have Telegram here. So it was this video. Thanks for joining me, and see you.